Hey, Stealth Health community! Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're diving deep into the world of the ketogenic diet, and we've got some fantastic tips and tricks for you if you're thinking about going keto. Whether you're a keto veteran or just considering this low-carb lifestyle, these 7 tips will help you navigate the ins and outs of the keto journey with ease. But before we jump into the tips, let's quickly recap what the keto diet is all about. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that has gained popularity for its potential to promote weight loss and improve overall health. Now let's get into those tips and tricks. Tip number 1, understand the basics. Before you embark on the keto journey, make sure you understand the basics. Know what foods are keto-friendly and which ones to avoid. Familiarize yourself with macronutrient ratios to ensure you're hitting the right balance. Tip number 2, plan your meals. Planning is key. Take some time to plan your meals in advance. This not only helps you stay on track, but also makes grocery shopping a breeze. Having keto-friendly options readily available will prevent you from reaching for non-compliant snacks. Tip number 3, hydration is essential. Staying hydrated is crucial on keto. As your body adjusts to burning fat for fuel, you may experience increased water loss. Make sure to drink plenty of water and consider adding electrolytes to your routine to prevent the dreaded keto flu. Tip number 4, embrace healthy fats. Healthy fats are your best friends on keto. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, these are your go-to sources. Don't be afraid to add these delicious fats to your meals for a satisfying and nutritious experience. Tip number 5, snack smartly. Snacking can be part of your keto journey, but choose wisely. Opt for snacks that are low in carbs and high in fats and protein. This way, you can satisfy your cravings without derailing your progress. Tip number 6, listen to your body. Everybody is different, and so is the keto experience. Listen to your body and adjust your macros as needed. If you're feeling fatigued or not seeing the results you want, it might be time to reassess and make some tweaks. Tip number 7, stay consistent and patient. Last but not least, consistency is key on keto. It's a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent.